bits that I've taken off. Now, to get this fitted into here, I need to cut this off. So I need to cut it here, and somewhere around here. So there's lots of wires here, I need to be careful with that. There you go, the cut's been made there, and down there. You need to take the screw out and remove this panel. So here I've connected the stereo, put it in place, not powered it on yet. And what I've done is, from the back you can see it's a lot of mess. I've put rear speakers in. I will eventually put rear speakers, but for now just put the wiring in because I've had this open. So yeah, here it is. It works. I can't really play it because it's connected to my phone and I can't make the video at the same time. But yeah, it's nice and good.